In a sunny village lived a little girl named Lily. She dreamed of having her own little garden. One day, her mother gave Lily a small piece of land and a few seeds, encouraging her to start her garden project. At first, Lily knew nothing about how to plant, but she did not give up. She began reading gardening books, learning from neighbors, and diligently taking care of her little garden every day. After weeks of effort, the seeds began to sprout, and the garden gradually filled with flowers. Lily's mother was very surprised by her effort and the transformation of the garden. Lily learned to solve problems independently and to persevere. Her little garden not only taught her how to take care of plants but, more importantly, taught her confidence and independence. The sublime ending. Lily's little garden not only added beauty to the village but also became a testament to her growth. This story tells us that independence is not only the ability to solve problems but also the discovery and affirmation of self-worth in the process.